How to upload HD videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to upload HD videos on your TikTok? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then you'll need to upload a video. For that, tap on the plus sign on the bottom middle and then you can choose a video from your gallery, or you can even click a video right from your TikTok, and then you will see various icons on the right hand side. Tap on the third icon, so that is the edit option, and then after you have tapped on the third icon, you can put any filters or any stickers that you want and tap on the red icon on the top, and then you'll see more options. Tap on it and then scroll down. You will see allow high quality uploads, so make sure that it is toggled on. So that means now whatever video that you post will be uploaded in HD quality. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.